Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th maths and it's revision time. Today we have started our revision for chapter 2nd. Okay, the chapter 2nd heading is polynomial. What do you mean by polynomial? Okay, you learn in your previous classes about polynomial. What is polynomial? Yes, what is polynomial? Polynomial, algebraic expression and the basic operation on them you have studied in earlier classes. That is their addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this chapter, we shall study particular type of algebraic expression called polynomial. Okay, and the term related to them. We shall also study remainder theorem, factor theorem and their use in finding the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros means root of the polynomial or solution of the polynomial, we can say that. Okay, and in the factorization of polynomial. In the previous classes, you also have studied some algebraic identities. In 8th standard, you have learned some algebraic identities. Okay. In this chapter, we shall review those algebraic identities and shall study some more algebraic identities and their use in factorization and in evaluating some given algebraic expression. Okay, understand? These are some identities we learn in 8th standard. Okay, remember the identities. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y and x minus y. Okay, these identities we learn in previous classes. Okay, so in this, first of all, let's learn what is polynomial. Okay, so students, see these terms. These are here 14xy plus 53y minus 3. Here it is 3 terms. Why here it is 3 terms? Because here 14xy xz is one term, 53y is second term and minus 3 is third term. So here there is total 3 terms. Okay, 23x square y minus 4y cube में it is having only 2 terms. Okay, understand? Means when एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन प्लस और माइनस का साइन जब आ जाता है आपके एक्सप्रेशन में, एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में, देन इट बिकम अ टर्म्स. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? Now let's see what is polynomial. Polynomial means many terms. Okay, first, if there is one term, then we tell it's a monomial. If there is 2 terms, then we can tell it's binomial. If there is 3 terms, then we can tell it's trinomial. And more than 3 terms, then we can say that is polynomial. But it's wrong. Okay, monomial, binomial, trinomial and so on means when the terms is started, that are called polynomial. Okay, all are together are called polynomial. Okay, understand? See the examples of monomial. 7 is a monomial, 4x is also a monomial, 3ab square is a monomial, 4 plus x it's also monomial, 3xy minus x is a monomial, 3 plus a plus b 4 plus x is a binomial, 3xy minus x is binomial. Okay, 3 plus a plus b is a trinomial because it having 3 terms. Okay, 3cd plus a plus 8 is a trinomial. And now if we talk about 4z plus 9 plus 3x plus y, it having 4 terms. So if there is one or more term, it's called a polynomial. A polynomial having one term is called monomial. A polynomial having 2 terms is called binomial. A polynomial having 3 terms is called trinomial. A polynomial having 2 or more terms is called a monomial or multinomial or polynomial. Understand? Okay, so what is the how we define the polynomial? Okay, now let's see student, if we talk about what is the form of the polynomial, see here, if an algebraic expression is given, so what you do, you think this is the right way? No, you have to write this expression as in the descending order. Okay, means first of all you have to write 7x to the power 5, then what is the highest power? X cube plus 4x plus 3. It is your standard form. This is your standard form of these given these polynomial, given polynomial. Okay, it's a standard form of given polynomial. Understand? Now is this is the what about the factorization of this factorization, division? This standard form gives us factorization, division and so on. Okay, but here see, this is the power 5, this is power 3 and this is power 1. Non-negative power less than 5, because degree of this polynomial is 5. Okay, here 5 is here, 3 is here, 1 is here and 0 is here, but 4 and 2 are missing. So how do we write index form of the polynomial? So here x to the power 5 is there, x to the power 3 is there, so we can write x7 x to the power 5 plus, because we don't have x to the power 4, so we have write 0 into x to the power 4 plus x cube. Okay, 0 into x to the power 4 become 0. Okay, so it's not change your value of the algebraic expression. Okay, now x to the power 0 x square, because here x square terms are not there. Okay, so you can write 0 into x square plus 3. Remember 3, this is called index form. Okay, because 3 is lonely, then you have to write x to the power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and this is the x to the power 0. Okay, understand? X to the power 0 means 1. Okay, this is your index form of the polynomial. What is coefficients of this algebraic expression? So x to the power 5 का coefficient आपको क्या दिख रहा है बेटा? 7. So 7 is the coefficient of x to the power 5. 0 is the coefficient of x to the power 4 and 1 is the coefficient of x to the power 3. Okay, understand? Here 1, then 0, then 4, then 3. So when you write this form 7, 0, 1, 0, 4, 3, then it is called coefficient form. Okay, understand? Now what is degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is 5, because highest degree is 5. Okay, now let's see, a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Understand? If the degree of variable is 1, means a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. It is of the form a plus b, ax plus b, where a and b are real number and a is not equal to 0. Okay, that is called linear polynomial because degree of the polynomial is 1. Okay, a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real number and a is not equal to 0. Okay, understand? Now what is cubic polynomial? When the degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial and it is also it is of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are real number and a is not equal to 0. Okay, a polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial, etc. Understand? So this type we have to form the polynomial. Okay, some particular polynomial in one variable. So for if the degree is 1, then we can say it is linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then we can say it's quadratic. Degree is 3, then we can say cubic polynomial, and degree is 4, then we can say that biquadratic polynomial. Understand? Okay, and if we talk about from terms, so टर्म्स के हिसाब से हमने कैसे बांटा है? मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल, ट्राइनोमियल एंड पोलिनोमियल. multinomial. Understand? So this type we have divide polynomial. And see, if the constant term are there, so we can say that the constant means what is the power degree means 0 polynomial, that is degree is 0. Okay, understand? So see here, now see that you have seen that a polynomial of degree 1, degree 2 or degree 3 look like, can you write down a polynomial in one variable of degree n for any natural number n. A polynomial in one variable x of degree n is an expression of, see, if we talk about polynomial in degree 1, so we can say that the standard form is ax plus b. If we say that ax square quadratic polynomial means degree is 2, then we can say ax plus bx plus x square plus bx plus c. Okay, if degree is 3, so we can say that this is in the form of this. Okay, so what is the general form if the degree is n? So we can say that a n x to the power n, a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a1 x plus a0. Okay, where a1, a0, a1, a2, an are constant and an is not equal to 0. Understand? So this is the general form. Okay, understand? 0 polynomial is not defined. The degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Understand? Now if we talk about, see student, when we factorize, in our previous classes we factorize this type of equation. Okay, when we factorize this equation, we get x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, means see here why we factorize and what is the answer. Okay, so when we factorize, so we get x plus 1 and x plus 2, and see here degree of a factor is always less than degree of the polynomial. Here see degree of the polynomial here, degree of polynomial is, see degree of the polynomial is 2, and what is the degree of the factors is always 1. Okay, understand? Now why we factorize? So when we factorize the equation or the algebraic expression, then factorizing, see, if we factorize the number, then see the degree of the factor is less than degree of the polynomial, then it is right, and factor cannot be factorized further. Means अब जो factors आपने कर दिए हैं वो और factorize नहीं होने चाहिए, then your factorization is right. Okay, up now let's see why we factorize. Okay, so why we factorize? So see, this is the answer. When we see the answer x plus 1 and x plus 2 is the simpler way, okay, to write x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, and it's so nice and it's neater. And second is where this is give us zeros of the polynomial. Okay, here x plus 1 and x plus 2 are two factorization of x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, when we factorize this equation, we get x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, now x plus 1 and x plus 2 give us the zeros of this equation. Means if there is x plus 1, so it give the value of minus 1 and minus 2, because both are plus, so our value is x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. Okay, and x is equal to minus 2. When we put x is equal to minus 1 in this equation, then we get 0. Then if there is the answer is 0, so our value is right. Okay, it's give 0, so minus 1 is the factor of the 0 of this equation. Okay, now let's put minus 2 in this equation. So what we get? Minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so it get 4 minus 6 plus 2. Okay, so our answer is 6 minus 6, that is 0. Okay, so it will the 0 of the polynomial. So minus 3 is called 0 of this equation. Okay, understand? And see, minus 3 is 0 of px, and number of 0 is equal to degree of polynomial, means 1. Number of 0 is 1 and degree of polynomial is 1. means आप कितने ज़ीरोस फाइंड कर सकते हैं उस इक्वेशन के, जितनी उसकी डिग्री है. ठीक है. ओके, जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन इज पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 1. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द जीरो ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल? माइनस 3 इज द जीरो ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल. सी द इक्वेशन पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए एक्स प्लस बी. जो हमने लास्ट इक्वेशन देखी वो हमारी इस फॉर्म में थी. ओके, दैट इज एक्स इज इक्वल टू, वी हैव फाइंड 0. ओके, मीन्स एक्स की ऐसी वैल्यू जिसके लिए ए एक्स प्लस बी फुल वैल्यूज क्या हो जाए, हमारी 0 हो जाए. ओके, सो this is called 0 of this polynomial. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Then we have easily find 0 of the polynomial. Okay, ax is equal to minus b and x is equal to b minus b upon a. Okay, understand? So this is the, if we find the 0, so this is our 0 of the polynomial. Okay, if the equation is in the form of ax plus b, so the 0 of polynomial is x is equal to minus b upon a. Understand? So this type of equation we have what is the our 0? So we the general form is minus constant term upon coefficient of x. Okay, so if this px is equal to 4x plus 7, so 0 of px is equal to minus 7 upon 4 is your 0 of this polynomial. Understand? Okay, and you have easily checked this 0, means put the value of px is in the place of x in this equation and you get 0 of, if you get 0 then it is a 0 of polynomial. So student, I think you know how to find the 0 of this polynomial. If the polynomial is in the form of px is equal to x plus 2, then you have easily find the 0 of this polynomial. What is the value of polynomial? Constant term upon coefficient of x. Okay, so if this type of the term, and rule to find 0 of px, we know that what is the rule? Constant term upon coefficient of x. Okay, now number of 0 of polynomial. By convenience, every real number is taken as a 0 of the 0 polynomial. Thus 0 polynomial has infinitely many solutions. Okay, a non-zero constant polynomial has no zeros. For example, consider the non-zero constant polynomial px is equal to 5. Okay, so it have no zeros. Okay, replacing x by any real number in 5, that is in 5x to the power 0, we still get 5. Okay, therefore px is not equal to 0 for any real number, real value of x. Okay, understand? Hence px has no real 0, means if the polynomial is in the form of this, px is equal to 5. In this case we don't have any zeros. Okay, understand? Now every linear polynomial has one and only one zero. Why? Because degree of this polynomial is 1. Understand? Or what is the 0? Minus b upon a. Why minus b upon a? Because linear polynomial is in the form of ax plus b. If it is in the form of ax plus b, so 0 of this polynomial is minus b upon a. Understand? Okay, a quadratic polynomial can have at most 2 zeros. Why? Because in quadratic polynomial having how much degree of this polynomial? 2. Highest degree is 2. So it having at most 2 zeros. Okay, and cubic में 3 zeros होंगे. A polynomial of degree n is greater than 1 can have at most n zeros. Means जो भी उसकी डिग्री होगी पोलिनोमियल की, उतने zeros आपको उस पोलिनोमियल के मिल सकते हैं. Understand? Okay, so today we have completed our revision here. Okay, have a good day.